Hello, everyone. How are you doing? I trust you are all doing great. James from JT Smith Tutoring here. Today, we are looking at matrix multiplication, and we are going to use a question from a past exam paper from Unisa Linear Algebra I. All right. Consider the matrices below with y is equals to BA, where A is this matrix here, which is a 3 by 4. And B is a matrix here, which is a 4 by 3. So obviously, BA is actually defined because the number of columns in B, which is 3, is equal to the number of rows in A, which is 3. So yes, BA here, it is defined. So they want to find out here, for which values of K will the y43 here is going to be equal to 7. What this simply means is that after everything has been said and done here, we are going to be looking at an entry which will be sitting at the intersection of row 4 and column 3 in this new matrix A here. Okay, beautiful. We are giving you the options right here. So take note of this. For you to be able to get that entry, there's no need for me to get all the other entries. I can go straight away and get that very entry. So how do you get that entry? It's simply the dot product of what we have here in row 4 in B and column 3 in A. By so doing, you are going to get that very entry. All right. So you can just see here the notes that I have here, which is just explaining exactly what I'm just going to be doing right here. So I took this row 4 here in B and I multiplied it with the column 3 in A here, which is the dot product. So minus 2 here multiplied by minus 1, which is what you're seeing here, plus 5 multiplied by 1, which is what you're seeing right here, plus if I can distribute this inside here, this is going to give me k squared minus k. So I've got my k squared minus k here, multiplied by minus k right here. And this is supposed to be equal to 7. So minus 2 multiplied by minus 1, that's going to give me a 2. 2 plus 5, that's going to give me a 7. So k squared minus k multiplied by minus k squared is going to give me minus k cubed plus k squared. So on the left-hand side, I'm going to have 7 minus k. This 7 here to come this side, I'm going to have 7 minus 7, which is a 0. So minus k cubed plus k squared is going to be equal to 0. And remember now, when you are dealing with your equations, if you multiply an equation throughout by a constant, that is not going to change the solution set. So I multiplied -1 throughout. That's why this one is changed to be a positive k cubed. This one it is changed to be a negative k squared. That is not going to change the solution set. It's squared here, and this is what I have right here. So k squared is going to be equal to 0, so which means k is going to be equal to 0. Then k minus 1 is going to be equal to 1. Boom, I'm done. Did you see that, Jimmy? You threw that miles away. Beautiful. Take note of something here. We use the logical or operator, not the logical and operator. Why do we use the or operator? It's because k cannot assume the 0 value and 1 value at the same time. Or operator, when determining the roots of the zeros, since the variable in question can have only 1 value at a time. Beautiful. This is all I have right now, so I have to go. Till we meet again, be rest assured that at JT Smith Tutoring, we are committed to keeping you mathematically informed. Comment, like, share. If you have any other questions that you'd want us to look at together, please feel free to share them in the comment section. See you when you see me. Don't do what Mama and I wouldn't do. See you soon.